Buddy. Ah, que la chingada. Look at him, look at him. You wanna bite me? You wanna bite me for? He just wants to sit on my shoulder, but he won't. Look, 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 look. Really, dude? You're gonna bite me and you sit on my shoulder. Does that make sense? Where he's like smash you like a rat. I'm afraid of him.
So is Emmy.
Huh?
So is Emmy.
Does it hurt?
No.
Come on.
Dad, you gotta get under him.
Yeah, it has to be higher.
So
All right, all right, all right.
when you do it, Dad, if he's here, you're gonna take your finger and just. Oh, come on.
He doesn't.
He's the one. Go. Come on. I can't look at him. I get scared.
Here, take him, Michael. Michael, like.
Okay, so you take your finger and you...
He doesn't want to leave.
Oh, watch out so he doesn't jump in the stove.
It's okay.
And then we'll have fried chicken. I mean, fried bird. Cockatoo.
So you take your finger and almost like touch his belly with it.
No, he doesn't want to, dude.